What's going on, guys? So here I have a skid plate that I ordered for my Honda CRF250. So let's do a quick unboxing here and see what the hell this thing looks like. It's always hard to do this with one hand. Alright, I think I got it. Alright. Looks pretty nice. All aluminum. Really solid. Must be some hardware in there. Yep. Hardware. Pause this for a second to open this up. Alright guys, so it looks like we got a couple of C-clips here and a couple of bolts. Pretty basic. Let's take a look, see how this thing is actually going to look. Guessing it goes like this. Alright. Looks pretty nice. I'll have to install it. Looks pretty basic. We got two bolts over there, and I'm guessing the C-clips go over there to hang on the frame. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was just a quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.